guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah from Sarahswifestyle, and tonight, yes you guys, tonight, okay, we have a power hour clean with me. So I'm gonna see what I can get done within the hour. To be honest, I will probably finish before then, because if you guys are new to my channel, a lot of my clean with me's do not look crazy, right? Because I'm constantly cleaning up throughout the day. So there's just a few things that I need to do. I need to do these dishes. I'm gonna wipe down the counters, wipe them down, wipe all that down, and then I have some laundry that I need to fold. And I'm gonna straighten up the living room. And I know this, it looks straightened up, right? But it's not. Sorry about the lighting. It's not straightened up to me because I gotta push the couch, put it where it needs to go, and I'm gonna dust off these tables. And I typically dust off the tables like every day. So I just find it easier. Oh, my son was playing blocks in here. Let me move that. I just find it easier to keep up with the house all throughout the day, because you don't want to just live in a big mess, right? So if you keep up with it all day long, then you don't have to worry about that. Like, see, I just have a few things that shouldn't be here. So yeah, right now it is, let's see what time it is. It is 7:30, okay? 7:30. So we're gonna see how much we can get done. And if you guys are new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys like other videos like this, hit the like button, okay? Because I love to clean and I love to keep up with my house. I love my house, so I treat it very well, okay? When you love things, you treat them well. So always try to keep it clean. So let's get started with these dishes.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. To be over, wanna get closer. It's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. I keep my head up high though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, baby, you can make.
So I wanted to give you guys a cleaning tip really quick. So I gave my son a bath, and while I give him a bath, typically I'll clean up the bathroom so I don't have to do it like tomorrow or anything like that. So I just straighten up the bathroom. I wanted to show you guys this because I actually had my order come in from the Container Store, so I'm actually going to organize this tomorrow. So I didn't do that tonight because I actually want to make a video for it, but I just wanted to give you guys a little cleaning tip. Always straighten up if your toddler's in the bathroom. Taking a bath, go ahead and straighten up your bathroom because it just basically makes everything easier. So let's get this laundry folded. So I'm walking into my room right now, and my bed isn't even made. It's just like a sloppy, you know, bedding, I guess. And yeah, so this is my bedroom. I have plenty of clean with me's on my cleaning motivation playlist. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do this laundry and then we'll be done, you guys. Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
Alright you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end this video now because all I have to do is put that away and that'll literally take me like 3 minutes. And let's look at the time. Why is this blurry? Focus. I'm like super swollen right now. It is 8:07, so I started at like 7:30. So it took me just a little over a half an hour. Mind you, I was filming, so I'm always slower when I'm filming because I have to keep checking the camera, I have to move the camera around, all that kind of stuff. So yes, it's definitely, it's a little bit slower when you're filming. I'm super swollen. If you guys don't know, I had a mommy makeover and right now I'm so swollen. Just from a little bit of salt that I had today, I look like I'm pregnant. But it goes down by the morning. But basically my plastic surgeon said that for about a year it'll do that when I eat anything salty or if I travel. And I just got back from, where did we go? From Las Vegas in a plane. So I'm still waiting on that, all of that. I still feel a little bit puffy, and because I had been eating bad foods in Vegas. So tomorrow is actually Friday, and tomorrow I'm gonna eat clean again because on vacation, you know, I just gotta do what I gotta do. But go ahead and subscribe and like. I have a lot of other videos coming your way. We're going to Disney World and I have a pack with me, like basically Disney World essentials that I'm gonna film. So yeah, you guys, thank you for freaking watching this whole entire video. I really appreciate it. So I hope you guys liked this power hour and had some motivation, okay? So don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys later.